Nostalgia ain't what it used to be, but between old-fashioned boats and new-fashioned traditions, something is driving ahead a major revival of interest in classic boats.
It's the boats that have still got style. A lot of it is the shape. Essentially, there's something immediately visually appealing about a classic shear line, a classic bow, a classic stern. As to materials, well, there are classics in all materials, but I think a lot of our readers would say that there has to be a lot of wood there, preferably varnished.